Some breaking news out of western Indiana at 5 o'clock. State police tell us 2 children were killed and another child critically injured in this horrific crash involving 2 semis and a car. This happened in the westbound lanes of I-70 near the Clay-Vigo County line. Our partners at the Tribune-Star are reporting that one of the semi-drivers was taken to the hospital for treatment. I-70 westbound is closed right now at Indiana 59 in Clay County. We're told is expected to be closed for hours. Traffic at this hour is being diverted to US 40 in Brazil. Eastbound traffic is also backed up, but there is 1 lane open.
Well, we have a warning for you for tomorrow.